Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you some English writing paragraphs so you can improve your writing here. I'll write a paragraph for you. Some tips for English writing is try to write straight. The words should be straight. As you can see, the writings in books, the words are straight. And try to give space between your words, at least 1 finger distance or 2 finger distance. It will make or enhance your writing. A beautiful writing shows your efficiency. Here I can read the paragraph for you. When I go to a bank, I get frightened. The clerk frightened me. The desk frightened me. The moment I pass through the doors of a bank. In the beginning of your writing class, avoid joining handwriting because it will create problems to you or difficulty to write efficiently. I have tried to avoid joining writing. Please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.